How can k and d be false, but k and d.keys be true? I have some Python code that's throwing a key error exception. So far I haven't been able to reproduce outside of the operating environment, so I can't post a reduced test case here. The code that's raising the exception is iterating through a loop like this. The del_k line throws the exception. I've added a try/except clause around it and have been able to determine that k and d is false, but k and d.keys is true. The keys of d are bound methods of old-style class instances. The class implements _cmp and _hash_, so that's where I've been focusing my attention.
K and d.keys will test equality iteratively for each key, while k and d uses _hash_, so your _hash_ may be broken, i.e. it returns different hashes for objects that compare equal.
Simple example of what's broken, for interest.
Don't delete items in D while iterating over it. Store the keys you want to delete in a list and delete them in another loop.
What you're doing would throw a concurrent modification exception in Java. d.keys creates a list of the keys as they exist when you call it, but that list is now static. Modifications to d will not change a stored version of d.keys. So when you iterate over d.keys but delete items, you end up with the possibility of modifying a key that is no longer there. You can use d.popk, none, which will return either the value mapped to k or none, if k is not present. This avoids the key error problem. Edit, for clarification, to prevent more phantom downloads, no problem with negative feedback. Just make it constructive and leave a comment so we can have a potentially informative discussion. I'm here to learn as well as help. It's true that in this particular condition it shouldn't get messed up. I was just bringing it up as a potential issue, because if he's using the same kind of coding scheme in another portion of the program where he isn't so careful/lucky about how he's treating the data structure, such problems could arise. He isn't even using a dictionary, as well, but rather a class that implements certain methods so you can treat it in a similar fashion.
I śmiał wam w to CMORE, prenasceton hider substreaming.